All right, now we're going to look at difference of cubes and sum of cubes. How do you know if you have a difference of cubes? It's actually quite simple. If you have a minus and two perfect cubes, then you have a difference of cubes. So if I have a difference of cubes, then I write out a binomial factor and a trinomial factor. Remember what we talked about, how we remember the signs? So keep, change, plus. So we keep the sign, which is what is in our problem, and then we change the sign, and then we say plus for the last one. The last one's always plus. Then, in order to get these two terms, which helps us populate the other three terms, we have to cube root this, and then cube root this. What is the cube root of x to the third? It is x, so I just put an x right there. What is the cube root of 27? 3. Now, once you have those two terms, you can fill out the rest of them. What is x squared? Oh, x squared. What is x times 3? 3x. Ignoring signs. Okay, and what is 3 squared? 9. It's done. No, you cannot factor the last one. I know it kind of looks like a perfect square trinomial, but it's not. All right, let's do the next one. Now, the next one has this 3 right here, and I like this one because it has a 3 right there because I know that 3 kind of confuses some of you guys. Don't worry about that 3. In fact, ignore him. Just leave him be. He's a factor outside. Don't touch him. All right, the other part is a perfect cube. So we have a sum of cubes. It's a sum. It says addition, and each of these are perfect cubes. X to the third. What is the cube root of x to the third? X. And what's the cube root of 64?
4.
Quattro. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. Oh, snap. I forgot my signs. Oh, what was my thing again? Keep, change, plus. So I go keep, and then I change it, and then I say plus. All right, now I got my first two terms. Let's go that term squared is x squared. Then I go that term times that term, which is 4x. And then I go that term squared, which is 16. We're done. That's the sum and difference of cubes.